Kaysa mas potato hot yung stick maliliit siya kaya for topping for black pepper. Guys, this is the sauce of lean stick guys ha, ada black sauce guys. Yan, black sauce na guys ha. Liit lang natin siya yan na guys ha. Ay food salt guys ha. Ready na ang ating salmon. Oh! Ready na ang ating salmon guys. Guys ha. This is request for the bar. Ready the salmon. Ready na ang ating stick guys ha. Yan. Ready na siya guys. Turn around na lang natin siya guys ha. Yan. Lagyan ko ng counting butter. 10 little butter. Yan guys. Little butter. This is stick guys ha. Ayan guys, rosemary in time guys ha. Ilagyan natin siya ng rosemary in time. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys ha. Ayan guys ha, may order tayo ng mushroom soup. Ikating natin itong mushroom soup na maliliit guys ha. Ayan guys, finish na yung cutting natin guys ha. Thank you for watching. Lalagyan natin ito sa soup. Ayan guys ha, nilagay ko na itong ating mushroom sa mushroom soup ha. Yan, nilagyan ko ng cream ha. Ayan guys, ready na ang ating stick ha. Lagyan natin sa sauce. Yan. Nilagay na natin sa sauce guys ha. Ayan guys, ready na ang ating ready na ang ating mushroom soup guys. Ito na. Serve na siya guys ha. Mushroom soup yan. Ayan ang mushroom soup guys ha. Marami kasi kasama to. Now I put on guys ha. Parmesan, little. Now it's ready. Serve again guys. Serve again. Guys, ready na ang mushroom soup guys ha. With shrimp guys, not chicken. Bigay ko na ito lahat yan guys ha. With shrimp. Lagyan natin siya ng white wine. Mushroom muna guys ha. Mushroom ha. Mushroom. Hi. Sauce ng fettuccine. Now is yung pinag put the water. I put some chicken stock guys ha. Chicken stock. Vegetable para sa busy ako na ngayon guys para sa stick guys vegetable guys. Wait.
Thank you, Chef. How about the taste? Good?
Ito ng butter guys. Itong ating vegetable again. Now I put vegetable guys. Little guys, little salt. Tapos ng ating fettuccine guys ha. Parmesan guys. Guys, plating tayo guys ha, plating. First plating fettuccine guys. Plating fettuccine guys ha. This is fettuccine with guys, ito na. With shrimp guys, not chicken ha. This is my I put ball sauce guys ha. See, creamy. Now, parmesan. Guys, parmesan. And little, like this guys. Wow. We need to cherry tomato, little, one on top. And then like this guys. Wow, finish guys. Now is another guys. I put now. See guys ha. Oh.
ليكو قاعد يسوي يعني سواها قلت له
What you like everything?
لا انا قلت لك سواها خلاص كله خلاص كله
Oh guys ha.
خلاص جاهز هو كم صبر دقيقة هلا جاي خلاص ها يلا
Yan guys ha. Oh. Pwede na yung ating stick guys ha. Yan. Now stick is ready guys. The vegetable guys ha.
ها
I put the vegetable. Okay. Wow. You see guys ha. How to make this good steak and pasta. Yan guys, ready na siya. Yan. Yan. I put sauce. And then you can have guys. Yan, yung ating to order guys. Thank you for watching guys.